Can proprietary estoppel influence property ownership? In this video, we delve into the concept and application of proprietary estoppel within land law. Explore how assurances, reliance, and detriment shape legal claims. Proprietary estoppel is a legal claim tied to English land law. It arises when there's an assurance about property rights. The claimant must rely on this assurance and suffer detriment. If it's unconscionable to deny the claim, then the court may transfer property rights. This principle prevents unjust outcomes in property disputes. The creation of proprietary estoppel involves specific conditions. There must be a clear assurance about property rights. The claimant must rely on this assurance, leading to detriment. Unconscionability plays a crucial role in these claims. Different settings affect how these conditions are interpreted. Unconscionability is vital in proprietary estoppel cases. It distinguishes between commercial and domestic settings. The concept ensures fairness in property dealings. Different types of assurances impact its application. Courts assess if denying a claim would be unjust. Remedies in proprietary estoppel vary based on circumstances. They can be based on reliance costs or fulfilling expectations. Courts aim to balance fairness and claimants' expectations. Remedies include property transfer or compensation. The choice depends on the case specifics. Estoppel prevents contradictions in legal claims. It stops parties from denying previous statements. This principle ensures consistency in legal proceedings. In property law, it can affect ownership rights. Estoppel maintains fairness and prevents unjust outcomes. The case of Wilmot v. Barber outlines 5 estoppel elements. Claimants must have mistaken legal rights. They must act on reliance, with defendants aware. Encouragement by defendants is crucial. This case shaped future estoppel interpretations. The modern approach simplifies estoppel requirements. It focuses on assurance, reliance, and detriment. Courts assess if expectations were reasonable. This approach streamlines legal processes. It aligns with contemporary property law practices. Assurance can be active or passive in nature. Active assurance involves explicit promises or actions. Passive assurance occurs when owners remain silent. Clarity and unambiguity are essential. Different cases illustrate these assurance types. Reliance involves acting based on assurance given. It's usually demonstrated by changes in conduct. Courts often presume reliance if representation exists. However, reliance must be causally linked to assurance. This element is crucial for a successful estoppel claim. Detriment involves significant changes or losses. It includes financial or non-financial impacts. Courts consider benefits received alongside detriment. Establishing detriment is key for equity claims. Various cases highlight different detriment scenarios. Once equity is established, courts decide on remedies. They balance expectations with fairness. Remedies range from property transfer to compensation. Factors like proportionality influence decisions. The aim is to satisfy the equity fairly. Remedies in law include damages, rescission, and more. They address different legal breaches and contexts. Each remedy serves a specific purpose. Courts choose based on case specifics. Understanding these helps navigate legal outcomes. Heads of damages cover various loss types. They include reliance loss, discomfort, and inconvenience. Each head targets specific loss aspects. Courts assess these when awarding damages. Understanding them aids in legal claims. Repudiation ends contracts due to breaches. It's available for condition breaches, not warranties. Courts assess the breach's impact on benefits. Repudiation restores parties to pre-contract positions. It's a key remedy in contract disputes. Rescission unravels contracts to pre-agreement states. It's discretionary and addresses vitiating factors. Courts consider affirmation and third-party rights. Rescission restores parties to original positions. It's crucial in voidable contract cases. Specific performance enforces contractual obligations. It's used when damages aren't adequate. Courts assess contract types and equity needs. It's common in land sale contracts. Equity and hardship influence court decisions. Injunctions are equitable remedies with three types. They can be interim, prohibitory, or mandatory. Courts use them to enforce or prevent actions. Injunctions overlap with specific performance. They ensure compliance with legal obligations. Presumption of reliance involves logical conclusions. Courts assume facts based on proven evidence. It simplifies legal proceedings. Rebuttable presumptions allow contrary evidence. Presumptions impact legal outcomes significantly. Presumptions can be conclusive or rebuttable. Conclusive ones are irrefutable by evidence. Rebuttable ones allow challenges with proof. They play crucial roles in legal processes. Understanding them aids in navigating legal systems. In conclusion, understanding the concept and application of proprietary estoppel is vital for recognizing how equity can protect individuals who rely on promises or assurances relating to land. Proprietary estoppel ensures fairness by preventing a landowner from going back on their word when someone has acted to their detriment based on a reasonable expectation of rights over property. By examining how courts apply this principle, learners gain insight into how the law balances legal ownership with equitable outcomes. This understanding is essential for resolving disputes and ensuring justice in land-related matters. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361 688.